What's going on, guys? Arthur Early here, back with you. And tonight we're going to be talking about 10 things that you need to drop in order to grow your online business. But before I get into it tonight, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Smash that bell notifications to get a notification when I go live or when a new video drops. Okay, guys, right now we're in 2020. We just got over a quarantine. Some of us may still even be in a quarantine. A lot of these businesses these days are adapting to online businesses. Okay, a lot of people have lost their jobs that have turned to online business, to look for an online business. Employers that have people working from home. So online business is very, very relevant these days, and a lot of people out there are looking for an online business to supplement their income. And if you happen to be looking for an online business, I want you to go ahead and click up that video right above here. All right, so with an online business, in order to grow it, there's certain things that you need to drop. And tonight's video is going to be a little different because I'm going to be a little bit candid. I'm going to be a little bit blunt, and I'm going to be a little bit straight to the point. All right, a little less joking tonight and a little bit more because I think this is very, very important and people need to understand this. All right, so if you're taking notes, I do encourage you to take notes. We're going to go over 10 things, so grab a pen and pad and let's get right to it, guys. Number one is you need to drop the sense of entitlement. Okay? So what, you joined a biz op? So what, you started a business? All right? A lot of people have this thinking, I should be successful because I'm an entrepreneur. Wake up. Nobody owes you shit. All right? No one is entitled to success. You have to earn it. So stop with the entitlement. Stop with the thinking that people owe you things. Nobody owes you nothing. You got to go out. You got to earn. You got to hustle. All right? That's number one. Number two, all right, is stop stressing. Stress is bad. Stress could lead to heart attacks. Stress could lead to, a whole bunch of health problems. But, starting a business is stressful. I get it. I understand it 100%. You got to wear a lot of hats, a lot of moving parts going on. I 100% understand it. So you have to be able to minimize the stress, and think of ways to eliminate the stress. And it starts with hanging around the right people. You hang around the people that are not stressing out, guess what? They're going to rub off on you, and you're not going to stress out so much, all right? So that's number two. Number three is drop the negativity, all right? Find a positive mindset, all right? Find ways to look at things differently. A lot of times we don't even start something because we set out and we have this idea of negative things in our mind that and it hadn't even happened yet, right? So like you have a project and all of a sudden you think about a million negative things that could happen and it deters you from actually starting. All right, you need the self-awareness to not get yourself into the negative mindset. And it's very, very, guys, listen, it's very easy to get into a negative mindset. It's all around us. The news, the media, the outlets, social media. It's all around us, negativity. But you got to be very, very mindful and self-aware not to get in that negative mindset. All right? So that's number three. Number four is drop the comparisons. All right? Don't compare yourself to other business people, other marketers. All right? Don't get stuck in that mindset. All right? You can't compare yourself. Somebody's been doing this for 20 years. You just started yesterday. All right. Obviously, you're not going to be able to have the success that they have had because you haven't had the experience they have had. You haven't gone through the trials and tribulations that they have had. Okay. A lot of people are having massive success, and especially in that business that I was telling you about before. A lot of new people are having success, but once again, you can't compare yourself to somebody that's, making $100,000 a month when you just started a business, okay? But you have to think, and this is the great thing to know, okay? We all started from somewhere, all right? We all had a day one. That's what I want you guys to think about. A master used to be a mess, right? When they first started out. But I want you to take the mindset of thinking about, if they can do it, I can do it. Okay? So that's number 4. Number 5 is drop the time management issues. And what I mean by that is, we all have the same 24 hours a day, but we all have responsibilities, right? Whether it be to our families, our employer, our businesses, certain social circumstances. But once again, we all have the same 24 hours. Listen, scrolling through Facebook, or scrolling through Instagram, or scrolling through Pinterest, all right, is not work. So don't try to convince yourself that you have a home-based business and you need to use Facebook to network with people, right? That's different, all right? That's different from scrolling through Facebook aimlessly and not doing anything, or scrolling through YouTube and the next thing you know, you're watching cat videos, all right? So make sure you are aware of your time. And what I like to do, okay, is I'll set an alarm for, like, let's say an hour. I sit down at my computer, whether I'm reading a book or I'm working on something, or I'm setting up some advertising. I will sit down for 1 hour, dedicate that hour to what exactly is I'm doing. And then, when the alarm goes off, maybe I'll take 15, 20 minutes, take a little bit of a break, come back, and keep it going. All right, and I stay on track. You have to be able to be disciplined enough to stay on track and not waste time. All right, so that's number 5. Number 6, especially a lot of you newbies out there, people new to the online business, you have to drop the impatience. All right, we live in a microwave society. You put something in the microwave, and 30 seconds later, it's a fully cooked meal, right? It doesn't work that way. We all have the "I want success now" attitude, and I see all people thinking, I see all these people around me making all this money. I'm ready now. All right, this is the one thing that I have to tell you about that attitude, that impatience, is that what happens? It leads to quitting. Why? Because what happens is you join an opportunity. All right, and then all of a sudden tomorrow you're not a millionaire. This doesn't work. This is a scam. Blah 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 blah. Right? So you gotta drop that impatience. All right, you have to understand that this is a brand new business. Right? Rome wasn't built in a day. That's how the adage goes, right? Rome wasn't built in a day. You have to stop the impatience and put in the work. All right, that's number 7. Number 6. Number 7. All right, you want to put a star next to this one. Highlight this one. All right, because it's one of my pet peeves, is drop the lazy attitude. All right. You ever be doing something and it's aimless? It's a time waster. And you're like, damn, I gotta get this shit done. Like, whatever, you have something in your head that you need to get done. What I want to do is encourage you, when you get that thought in your head, immediately stop what you're doing and go do what you gotta get done. All right? Stop what you're doing, get shit done. If you're watching TV and you tell yourself, damn, I really gotta write this paper. I really gotta, do this, work for my boss. I really gotta, get this done. Whatever it is, all right, stop what you're doing at that point in time, right then and there, and get to work. All right. Number 8 is drop the ungrateful mindset. Listen, guys, for those of you that are watching this video right now, you're alive. All right. I don't know any dead people that can watch YouTube videos. All right. We're on this earth right now. Be grateful for that. All right. Everything, even if it's not under the circumstances, you have to be able to find the gratefulness in every circumstance and every opportunity. Listen, guys, let me tell you something. We have the internet, right? This is the era that we're living in right now is a golden era. We have this technology at our hands. We have the world at our hands. If you don't know something, you go right to the internet, look it up, boom. You have the answers in 5 seconds. All right. They couldn't say that 30 years ago. 30 years ago, if you wanted to learn something, you wanted to find something out, you would have to go to a library or Encyclopedia Britannica or whatever it is. But right now, we have the internet. Okay, you don't know how to cook. You don't know what workouts to do. You don't know how to grow a business. Right now, you're watching this video online. Right now, if you started a business 30 years ago and you didn't know how to grow a business and you didn't know what to do and what things to drop to grow a business, then you wouldn't have it. But right now, I'm providing you a video that you can watch and apply the methodology that I'm telling you about right now. Be grateful for that. It's very simple, guys. All right. So drop that ungrateful mindset. Number 9 is drop the I can't attitude. Now, if you've watched my videos, you know I've touched on this before. And I say, take action, stay consistent. All right. Approach everything with yes, I can. Yes, I can. And it's that simple, guys. You learned how to walk, right? You didn't just say, shit, I fell. You know what? This walking thing's not for me. I think I'm going to crawl for the rest of my life. Or anything that you've never done before that you're doing right now. Maybe it's video. Maybe you never did video before. Maybe you never were good at taking video, but all of a sudden after, 1,000 videos, you're good. You're great at it. Whatever it is, guys, stop it with the I can't attitude. You're giving up on yourself. Stop. Too many people are giving up on yourself. If you're an entrepreneur, okay, if you're looking to grow a business, it takes I can attitude. All right, so I want you to put it in your mind that you can do it. All right, I believe in you and I know you can do it. All right, that's number 9. Number 10, last but not least, is drop the excuses. I had a old gym teacher that coined, I don't even think he coined the phrase, I think it's an old phrase. He used to say, excuses are like assholes. Everybody has one and they all stink. And that stuck with me my whole life when I heard that. Because it's as funny as it sounds, it's true. Right? So take ownership of what you're doing. If you're not getting the results in your business, guys, it's not the business opportunity. If you're not getting the results in your business and there's other people around you in the same business opportunity that you're in right now and they're getting results, look no further than yourself. It starts with you and you have to understand that, right? But, the business that I've been telling you guys about, I'm actually going to leave a link in the description down below. A lot of people are getting results. So they don't have that problem of not getting results. I mean, you're having people having 3,000 days, $4,000 days, $5,000 days, people having $60,000 months. Just think about what a $60,000 month, how that can change your life, guys. All right, and it's 100% free to sign up. All you got to do is click that link down below, and you can get started and start your free account, guys. But, those are the 10 things that I need you to drop in order to grow your business. All right, so I hope you got value from this video. And I want you to comment down below what you think that you need to drop in order to grow your business. All right, what things that you've dropped in order to grow your business that have been working. Because a lot of people watch these videos, and you know what? I named 10 things, but there might be other things out there that you can do in order to grow your business that you need to drop. All right, so comment what you've dropped down below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.